Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to start off here with the chart of the euro-dollar currency pair. There's a couple ways you could view this, but really what we're looking at the heart of it is that a weak dollar should be buoyant for equities, should be buoyant for risk-on type products, and as we're really seeing that move come through today, right? Again, the currency pair up about 0.6%. You just look to that and see which other spots are moving. Obviously, you had the S&Ps that made the fresh lifetime high today, so that's a big part of it. But another spot that started to show up is Bitcoin. So the crypto markets have been quiet, a little choppy, maybe a little bit tough to find good signals in. But now as that dollar is starting to come back in, I am just curious to see if these squeezes are getting ready to fire to the long side. So in this moment, I probably need to give you resistance right there, just a little bit above 66,000. But if you can hold the pullback to the mean and look for that continuing to ramp up, I think we could be setting up for the next decent ramp there in Bitcoin. If you want to take that and then move over here into Ethereum, all of you Fibonacci analysts will appreciate this one. You can see from this previous major swing low right through here, anchored against the 41.38 swing high. Look at your 618. So, advancing into here, holding the 618 is the staple of a potentially bullish pattern. So similar thinking, needs to start closing above the 21 EMA. Then I can target 32.86, and then from there, we'll see if it has more to give. Now, I think those are helpful for the crypto markets themselves, and I am active in those markets. If you're just looking for the equity, the other spot that really interesting lines up with these crypto markets is Coinbase. So in Coinbase, you can see a very clearly defined downtrend, but I feel like trend lines were, made to be broken. And I think that's what's about to happen here in Coinbase. So you can see the move down into the anchored VWAP, the daily squeeze, which is in that mature formation. And now we also have a close above the high of the low bar. So if you can start to get up through 220 in a meaningful way, I believe that you can target 240 into next week. And I think those are themes that all generally tie together pretty good and hopefully help you set up some successful swing trades over the course of the next couple of days. So I hope you guys find the review and the symbols helpful. Have a great rest of your afternoon, and I hope to see you in the chat rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.